What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Jim. He's been wanting to ride my Ninja 300, and he also has a Grom. So we're just gonna trade bikes, or not trade, but swap bikes. We're gonna let me turn off my music. We're gonna swap bikes and ride around for a bit. Jim wants to upgrade, get a more powerful bike, and he's gonna ride my 300, and I'm gonna ride his Grom. And I also bought a mic splitter, pretty much the GoPro. It's like a mic port, and it separates into two mic ports, so I'm gonna have basically two mics in my helmet. One for when I'm speaking, and one next to the speakers for the Senna, so you guys can hear our conversation through the Senna. So I recently bought a performance mod for my ZX-10R. It's I don't know how to pronounce this. PUIG, downforce spoilers that go in the front right here, like canards in MotoGP. It's to prevent like wobbling and high speeds and power wheelies too. I just ordered them from Revzilla. Pretty expensive, but they make it specifically for the ZX-10R. Yeah, I'm just waiting for those parts to be shipped, and I'll probably make a video of the unboxing, installation, and like a demo video of before and after the spoilers installation. So I can't wait to do that. Oh, there's Jim. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Oh, your friend's coming too? The R3 guy?
He's from UCL. He's actually your age, actually. I met him at the NSF course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we've been riding for the last like 5. Every time he's in town, because he goes to school in UCL. Damn, so you're gonna ride the Grom today?
Hey man, you're gonna ride the 300?
I think so. He has an R3 too.
No.
I'm telling you, you're gonna get so bored.
Nah, dude, I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of fun on this.
It's because you want to go, but you don't feel like you're going because you're next to the big bikes, and the big bikes you're going to.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna chill on this bike, so.
You can rev it for me. I just changed the oil a little bit.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready to go. I'm gonna grab a coffee and a water.
Probably like a latte.
You wanna go with it?
Yeah, second.
Okay.
Alright, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Hello?
Yo.
Hey.
Fuck, I'm scared, dude. Is it a neutral? Yeah.
Yeah. Don't sweat it, man. It's easy, trust.
Dude, it feels so weird. Alright, let me see how it engages. Take a turn over there. Different seating position for sure too.
Yeah.
Fuck, so much more power, man. Oh my god. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Dude, your first gear feels so good. It's like my second gear, third gear.
Yeah, dude, this Grom feels so comfortable to ride.
Does it really?
Yeah.
How do you like the seating position?
It's really relaxed.
I know, yours is really aggressive. It's just like the Z125 actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But I like the tank, dude. The Z125, the tank, my knees go over the tank, which sucks.
Oh.
Dude, yours is so easy to fucking clutch up and down. Oh my god. This is the difference between between a $3,000 bike and a $5,000 or $6,000 bike, I guess.
Yeah. Is yours ABS?
Yeah, in the front only.
Oh, okay.
You can't really tell unless you're fucking slamming on the brakes.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. You'll feel it like stutter a lot.
Yeah. When you switch gears, commit to the gear shifting, because if you don't, you might hit false neutral.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
From first to second only, or from second to even third?
First to second.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because on mine I shift hard, because my shit will go in neutral. You'll shift it and then you'll gas it. And you're like, you'll know you're in neutral.
Mm.
You good? It's different for sure. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you have mirrors now. Get used to that.
Oh, that's right, dude. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to lane split. I don't feel comfortable.
Oh yeah, I just lubed the two sides, so it's more easier to clamp in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think I'll be able to lane split with this? I don't even know my distance really on this.
Oh hell yeah, dude! I lane split with that open.
Fuck, alright. If I don't feel comfortable, I'm just not going to though. I don't want to scratch anyone's bike up or a car.
Yeah.
What's up? How's it riding with the earplugs? How's it riding with the earplugs? Good. You wanna try to you wanna try to like link up or no? You wanna try to like link up or no? Okay, cause I would just three-way, cause he has this thing too. But if you call me, we can maybe do a three-way call. But it's gonna be really noisy, so I don't know. We'll try it.
Wait, Matt, could you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Nice.
There's gonna be a little lag.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a fast.
Yeah.
What's that?
After you say
I can say yeah. I can hear you 2 seconds later.
Oh. Yeah.
See now. Wow.
Yeah.
It's a lamb with. Can you hear me? You see?
I can hear you perfectly, yeah.
I think it's when you ride, it's gonna make a little of that wind noise. So.
Yeah, it's gonna do a lot.
How does it feel?
Dude, it's actually.
You still have your turn signal on.
Oh.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Yo, Lamb, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Oh, I can hear both of you.
Yeah, it's just while we're riding, I just hear static and wind noise.
Yeah.
Dude, your cup holder is flipping me out.
What was that?
The what?
Your cup holder, I can't.
Oh, yeah.
Why do you have a cup on you?
It's the cup holder.
Yeah, wait. Lamb, why do you have a cup?
It's the whole drinks.
While riding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Dude, that thing was fucking loud as hell. Hello?
Yo, what's up?
Hey.
Yeah, I just linked up to you.
Dude, that thing was loud as hell.
Dude, it was pissing me off. Dude, it feels so fucking weird.
Oh yeah?
Yo, when do you switch on shift? Like, when you're at 20 miles per hour?
From first?
Yeah.
I usually shift around 6 or 7 RPMs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't see shit. Dude, this feels so fucking awesome. I'm definitely gonna get a bigger bike now. Fucking Lamb.
Yeah, dude.
You made my decision to get a bigger bike.
I think Catella is coming soon.
Catella, okay.
Downshifting from second to first is kind of tricky. Because if you do it too early, it's gonna jolt you.
Exactly. So all I've been doing is just letting the clutch out really slowly from second to first.
Yeah, but from like 5th, 4th, 3rd to 2nd, it's pretty smooth.
Okay. Dude, it feels nice, dude. I like it.
Yeah. Dude, this Grom is really chill.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yo, your exhaust is so drony. Yeah.
Doesn't it sound funny? How do you like the seat, dude? Do you like the Grom seat or does it hurt your ass?
It fits my ass.
No, does it hurt? I mean, hurt.
Oh, maybe in the tailbone.
Yeah, dude, that's the only thing I hate that home.
Yeah. I think this is Catella right here. Oh no, just kidding.
Fuck this clown! Don't you know about your 300 dealers? Oh my god, dude, I just hit fucking...
What?
I just hit 55 like nothing, dude.
Yeah.
My ground gets to pin it, hold it forward, and wait a couple.
Smash it, dude.
I roll it up on the color.
Okay.
I don't know what to call it.
Your blinkers are still on.
Oh, dude, it's the first time! God! Dude, you have no idea how hard I have to gas to get it to last this time right now.
Yeah, dude, I'm doing exactly.
I forget how many gears that you have on your bike though.
There's 6.
I know, I go up to 4th and I finish it and I'm like, dude, I have 2 more gears.
Yeah. Getting into neutral is a bit tough.
Yeah, it is.
Launch it, dude.
Oh, dude, I don't know, man. I'm scared. It's hard to get the speed though on the ground.
What do you mean, get up to speed?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
I think the Z125 might fit you better though. Tell the truth.
Oh shit. I accidentally beeped. Yo, this is pretty good to commute in.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Dude, it's easy, man. I mean, unless you're doing hills, it kind of sucks. But if you're just commuting from, let's say, like 10 miles a day, 13 miles a day, it's perfect.
Yeah. You probably get like 40 miles an hour, huh? Or 40 miles per gallon?
No, dude, that thing holds 1.1 gallon, and usually I fill up after like 87 or 88 miles.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't care.
I know, that's it. That's it. The guy's a motherfucker. That guy's an asshole. Dude, if I ever decide to sell my Grom, I'll come to you first.
Yeah. But I don't know. The Vulcan S is still
Yeah,
up
dude.
there on the list.
Yeah, the Vulcan S looks sick, man. Dude, I don't know how to get rid of that fucking squeal on my rear brake.
Freaking spray WD-40 everywhere.
It says to loop up my calipers, so I'm gonna do that either today or tomorrow.
Have you tried sitting up on your seat like this?
Yeah, on the very back.
Yeah.
It feels so weird though. Does Thomas's Ninja feel just like this?
Yeah.
Oh, does it? It's lower though, isn't it?
Oh yeah, the handlebars are a lot lower. Well, it's like 2 inches lower than mine.
That's a big difference. Are you think you're gonna be chill with the 4 controls?
With the what?
I sat on a Harley with 4 controls, like the foot pegs way up there, like the Vulcan.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, I cannot get used to it. It's like I'm sitting like reclined on a chair trying to.
Yeah.
So I feel really awkward because I'm used to my knee being under. Holy fuck, dude! I love it.
You like it, huh?
Dude, it feels so nice to feel acceleration.
Yeah, I keep forgetting you have only 4 gears.
I keep on forgetting that you have 6. So on 4th, I'm just like, what the fuck is 4?
I'm downshifting on 1st gear. Are you gonna launch?
I don't even know how to.
Just put a little throttle and slowly let go of the clutch, and once you start moving, just gun it.
I feel like I'm gonna stall.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a KTM dealership right there.
Oh, nice, dude. I didn't know that. Catella and May. Dude, I was also looking at the 390 Dukes. What do you think about that?
Yeah, it looks good. I mean, it's like pretty cheap, I think.
What? Only like 4,200, I think. 4,100 bucks.
We're almost there. It's past Cambridge.
Oh, right or left?
Right. We're parking on the street side.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, up there a little bit, Yasin. We're gonna park on the street on the right. What? We're gonna be just follow us. Yeah.
We're gonna park right here.
This fucking guy pulling out didn't even fucking look. Alright. Dude, Lamb, what can I do to borrow your bike for a week?
You can get my, you can buy my insurance.
How much is it?
I'd have to check. Alright, so we're here. You're not going?
No, I'm just saying that they might ban us, you know?
Oh, I don't think so. Because if they do ban it, they have to ban the guy on the FZ.
Yeah.
Unless they have favorites.
They're just gonna try and ban whistling only. I think what they did is they had a little discussion, and like, yeah, Harold, I'm gonna use you as a, you know, kind of an example, you know, whatever. Just go along with it, and that, you know, which is you're cool with us, but this kid is fucking annoying. You know what I mean? He's getting our way. I think that's what it is. So.
All right, I'm gonna head out. See you, dude.
Yeah. You got everything? Water?
I think so. I don't. That's not mine. I threw mine in the trash. Yeah.
Alright, bud.
All right. See ya. Yeah.
Thanks again, bud.
Huh? You want me to close the door? Oh, okay. No, I'm
You busy all night?
yeah, family stuff.
Yeah, same here too.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'll text you.
All right. See ya, dude. What? Oh. All right. So me and Jim are trading bikes for a week, and I'm excited to commute this to work. It's gonna be sick. The only thing is my insurance on the 300 expired, so as long as he doesn't get pulled over, we should be good. Alright, so that'll be it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like,